Hi Year 6 and welcome to our homework answers for today. So this is the answers for page 56, questions 1, 2 and 3. So here's number 1. Now this question, when I was originally looking at it, I thought, oh, that's easy. And then I realised we've got lots of missing sides and I got a little bit confused, I'm not going to lie. So don't worry if you found this tricky. I'm going to talk through exactly how we find all those missing sides to add them up. So perimeter is all of the sides added together. So I've got this side, I've got this side, got this side. I don't know what this side is. I don't know what this side is. I don't know what this side is. I've got this side and I don't know what this side is. Now, using this length here, I can see that this one, add that one, add that one, is going to be 19. So it doesn't matter what the individual ones are. We can use the measurement of 19 and then I will have covered off that one, and that one. Now this one was a little trickier. Now some people just get shape and they can just visualize it. I am not one of those people. I'm good at calculation. I find shape really difficult to visualize. And there's other people who struggle a bit with calculation and numbers and things, but actually with shape, they can just visualize it. So if you're one of those people, you're probably better at this than I was. But if we use what we've got here, so we can see that this is 7. So that means that this, we cut off that shape there, this is 7. Now the whole thing is 12, so that means that this bit is 5. And then if I follow that over to here, it means that this bit, oh, dodgy line there, but this bit is 5. So then this bit here will be 8 minus 5. So this will be 3. And then consequently, this will be 3. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So then if we get rid of these because we don't need them for the perimeter measurement. Now I'm in a place where I can just add up the numbers. So I've got 19, 12, 19, 8, 3, and 7. So those should have been the numbers that you added all up together, and you should have got the answer 68. And our units are meters. So massive well done if you got that, and if you found that easy, then you have beaten me on that one because I was really struggling with that one. So number 2. Number 2 is a little bit more straightforward. Again, we're finding the perimeter, adding all the numbers. Now we've got this side, this side, this side. We haven't got this side. We've got this side, we've got this side, and we've got this side. So we've only got one to find out, and it's a little bit more straightforward because the whole size of it is 12. So this whole part is 12. We've got 3 and we've got 7, which is 10. So this one must be 2. And then you're adding, so you're adding up 12, 3, 2, 6, 7, 3, and 4. Those are your numbers to add. And you should get the answer 42 centimetres. So well done if you got that. Then, last of all, we've got an area question. So, a square tile measures 20 by 20. A rectangular tile is 30 centimetres longer and 2 centimetres narrower than the square tile. What is the difference in area? So we're going to have to find the area of the two tiles. So square tile, 20 by 20. That's our square tile. So 20 times 20, that equals 400. So our square tile is 400 centimetres squared. Then we have to work out our rectangular tile. Rectangular tile wouldn't be much use, would it? So it's 3 centimetres longer. So one of my sides needs to go up by 3. So that will become 23. And then 2 centimetres narrower. So one of my sides needs to go down by 3. So I'll have 23 by 18. as my measurement there. And if you work that one out, you will get 414. So my rectangular area is 414 centimeters squared. And then I want to know the difference. So the difference between 400 and 414 is actually quite easy to work out there. So either 414 take 400 or count up, and the difference is 14 centimeters squared. Well done if you managed all of those questions, because they were quite involved. For tomorrow, I would like you to do the next page, keep going. So page 57, questions 4, 5 and 6, and come back for the answers tomorrow.